Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of September 18th, 2018. As always, the charts in this presentation are provided to us by Gettess in their Trade Navigator software. And if we look at a weekly bond market chart here, we got something going on. We have had two exhaustion bars in a row, or what I call exhaustion bars, and it looks like we're getting a third one. This certainly is how a market goes into a waterfall decline, just tremendous amount of momentum to the downside. But unfortunately, I'm kind of a contrary thinker, and I'm looking for reasons to buy this. What I'd really like to see is some sort of setup on the daily chart, which I do not see as of yet. However, the last daily bar looks about like this weekly bar. It's about that big. It pretty much all reversed on Tuesday. So I might look intraday Wednesday to see if there's something to buy and perhaps get in early. But we were looking for them probably to get up to the 142, 15, 16 area here, and they, of course, are just plummeting nowhere near that area. So I'm going to look for a reason to buy them, and I understand the risk. If I'm wrong, they're probably taking out this old low in the mid 138 area and just going to get flat ugly. But at this point, two bars in a row is often as far as you'll get in terms of these exhaustion bars, and in the process of creating three, well, you know, I'm willing to take a shot at it here. So I'm looking for a reason to buy them. I don't have anything yet, but perhaps intraday Wednesday we'll be able to find something. Stocks, well, stocks are interesting in a much different way. It looks like the last 4 weeks have been in the same area. But this week has been really interesting. Monday, when the rumors of the new tariffs against China came out, the market dropped really hard and continued down overnight. And by the time they opened Tuesday morning, they were 20 points off the low. And, Tuesday pretty much reversed all this. And this weekly bar is almost all Tuesday. Kind of an amazing reversal because the news was right. There were tariffs against China. So the ability to shrug that off is impressive. And it could mean that they're just flying back to new highs. I really thought when they came down to this middle moving average, which is just below 2,900, like 29, 28.98 roughly, I thought they'd hold there, but they went all the way down to 28.83 and just kind of stalled in the middle there and flipped back up. Now we do have resistance in the 29.19 area here. It's possible that'll hold them down Wednesday because that reversal Tuesday is just sort of out of the blue to me. There is more resistance at 29.28, and I use that term really loosely because once you get into new all-time highs, it's not really resistance to sell. It's just a target. It's just something to monitor. And so I'm not interested in selling them if they get up there, but it is an area to look at. If they stall, at least you'll know why. The 29.19 area, though, if they can't get above, the old highs are just above 22. If they stall in the 1920 area here, that could be interesting since all the highs for the last 3 weeks have sort of been in that area. If they make a fourth one there, well, that could be significant. So we'll be taking a hard look at that Wednesday, again, if they get up there at all. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself